This is Buena Vista and TV 32, a commercial and television broadcasting station, free and operated by Disney Sea Broadcasting Network Air National Airport, with license number BST 02288-2010, RAM 1266. Disney Sea transmitter is located until Network Air National Mahalikay Highway, MGT and Quezon City. Disney Sea Studio Complex is located until Quirino Highway. Network station on Airbus Simulation Channel 32 Palawan. Disney Sea authorized by my transmitter and control kilowatts. Disney Sea Engineering is headed by Albert E. Santubergan, PEC number 0967-45321. Disney Sea Broadcasting Service in Foreign Network Regular Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. All network free powered by Disney Network, Disney Club, Disney Nature, and Disney CEO. By the Simulator News and Movie version free by in satellite new free international stations worldwide. All free international airport and Disney program in by telephone operators. Mebangun Book Bedar Nature Studio by Disney CEO Networks. All to network program new telecast in version N4 to Disney CEO stations Tulawag, Baguio, Kawayan, Tatiklan, and Calibo. This is Airbus Simulation, the Fever Union's largest network, is now signing off.